Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8 and 9th. I welcome you in my lecture number 8 of unit number 3. Dear students, as you know, we are doing book exercises of unit number 3 and especially the grammar exercise, and the topic is article. In my previous lecture, I taught you that what are articles and how many articles are in English. There are 3 articles in English, and what are indefinite and definite article. In my previous lecture also, I taught you indefinite articles and their uses. Now in this lecture, inshallah, I'll teach you the rules of definite article, that is the. There are 10 to 12 rules, and inshallah I'll teach you in this lecture, and then remaining half inshallah will go in my next lecture. See your rule number 1, rules to use the, and the is definite articles. Rule number 1 is the is used when we talk about a noun known to the listener. For example, number one example is I planted a tree in my garden last year. In this example, I have used article, indefinite article, a with this noun tree. I planted a tree in my garden last year, and I highlighted that article with my green highlighter, because here we are not having any concern with that, we are having concern with definite article. But still, until I discuss again it, and I cannot make difference between I cannot make it clear that what is definite article until I again put any indefinite article. So see this line again, I planted a tree in my garden last year, and the tree has grown now. In this sentence, I have put a tree. I have put indefinite article with tree because that tree was unknown to my listener. Like to whom I am talking, he does not know about which tree I am talking. Yeah, I am talking about which tree. I planted a tree in my garden last year, but in the next line, when I'm talking about the same tree, the tree has grown now, like that tree which I planted last year. The tree has grown now. I'm talking about that tree in my second sentence. So in the second sentence, my listener is known to the tree. That's why I put the with this tree. See this line again, I planted a tree in my garden last year and the tree has grown now. In the first sentence, a tree, because this tree is unknown to my, unknown to my listener, and in second line this is known to my listener. The tree has grown. Like here he does not know which tree, but in this sentence he knows the tree has grown. Which tree? Which was planted last year. Okay. Second example, please return me the book that I gave you yesterday. Please return me the book. Like I'm talking about such a book which I gave yesterday to someone, to you. So here we know this is specified. We know that I'm talking about a particular book, and that particular book is which I gave you yesterday. That's why I put the definite article with this noun. This is use number 1. Use number 2 is the is used with unique things. Unique things which are unique in the universe. For example, sun, the sun. Moon, the moon. Sky, the universe. For example, sentence, I saw the moon in the sky last night. Moon and sky, they are of unique qualities. Like the moon and the sky, there is nothing in the universe. Like no other moon is there and no other sky is there. That's why they are unique, and with unique things we put the moon, the sky. Okay. See your rule number 3. The is used with such words referring to nature or environment generally. Generally, when we talk about some natural thing or environmental thing, like the things of nature and environment. For example, town, the town, mountains, the mountains, weather, the weather, beach, the beach, seaside, the seaside. See the sentence, I love the weather in Kashmir. I love the weather in Kashmir. Here weather is noun, and I have put the with that because weather is a thing, it's a noun related to nature and environment. Second example, we are going to take a trip in the mountains. Again, this is a natural thing, and with this I have put definite article. the mountain, the weather. Okay, see your next. Rule number 4. Rule number 4 is the is used with some time expressions. Some, not all the time. Like there are many expressions of time, but out of these many, with some expressions of time, we put the. For example, morning, the morning. Afternoon, the afternoon. Evening, the evening. Day after tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. The summer, summer, the summer. Winter, the winter. Spring, the spring. 18th century, the 18th century. Past, the future, the present. The day after tomorrow, the day before yesterday. For example, I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning, we put with this time expression the. In second sentence, he met me the day before yesterday. Day before yesterday is a time expression, and with this time of expression, we put article the. Third example, we love to go swimming. We love to go swimming in the summer. Here, summer is a time expression. That's why I put here the with this summer. For example, this is the story of the past. Past is time expression, so I put the with that. So here in this example, the morning, the day before, yesterday, the summer, and the past. Okay, now there are few expressions of time where we cannot put the. No use of the with the following time expressions like noon, night, yesterday, tomorrow, every day, every week, last night, last month, last year, or with the names of months or days. For example, I sleep at night. I did not put any the with that, although night is a time expression, but I will write I sleep at night. Second is we shall meet on Sunday. Sunday is time expression, but I have not put any article, and Sunday is also proper noun. That's why I have not put there. Not proper. It's proper noun, but here actually this is time expression, such time expression where we don't need to put the with that. Okay. Third is I saw you here last month. Last month is again time expression, and here we don't need to put article the with that. So these are the words, these are the time expressions where we don't need to put article the, definite article with them, and these are the expressions where we must put the with them. Okay, see your rule number 5. Rule number 5 is the is used with the superlative degrees of adjective. For example, best. Best is the superlative degree of good. Good, better, best. So we put the with best, superlative degree of adjective. Similarly, oldest, the oldest. Smallest, the smallest. Most beautiful, the most beautiful. Most is the superlative degree of when I say beautiful, then comparative degree will be more beautiful, and the superlative degree of beautiful will be most beautiful, and with that we put article the most beautiful. The most important. For example, she is the best teacher of the school. Jhelum is the smallest city of Pakistan, and family is the most important thing in life. Okay, this was rule number 5. Now rule number 6. Rule number 6 is the is used with the following words when they are used as adjective before nouns. For example, first we use that word. This is a word which we put with a noun and then it becomes adjective. So such words which work as adjective, we put the with that. It is a word, the is used with the following words when they are used as adjectives before nouns. For example, the first, the second, the previous, the following, the last. And examples are here. Ali is first person to come. Here person is noun and when I'm putting first with that, this is adjective. So before that adjective, I'll put the. Second is do the following question. Question is noun, and before that I have put the word following, and following here is adjective. It is working as adjective, so that's why I put the with this adjective. Do the following question. Similarly, in third example, it is the last chance for you. It is a last chance for you. Chance is noun, and here this is adjective, and before that of adjective I have put the. It is the last chance for you. Okay, see your example number 7. Example number 7 is the is used with the names of musical instruments. The is used before the names of musical instruments. For example, guitar, the guitar, violin, the violin, piano, the piano. An example in sentences are he plays the piano, she bought the guitar for her brother. Okay, dear students, till this point it's enough, and inshallah in my next lecture I will teach you further uses of article the, and then we will do inshallah the exercise of book. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.